Hello everyone, sorry for the delay. I had something come up and I had to take care of it. So let's start the 5 minute time frame review of Nifty 50 for today's price action. So the first bar was a huge bear bar closing on its low, but then if you see the consecutive bar was a strong reversal bull bar closing on near its high. So this trading range price action, you can enter one tick long here, put your stop loss one tick below the bar's low and hope for a test of the day's high. This is where you would have exited on bar 12. Now, if you see bar 9 is also the second attempt to take price higher. Bears shorted here and now they try to short here again. Now they are getting trapped on the ninth bar, which is a bull reversal bar closing near its high. It's not closing all the way near its high, but it's still a decent enough strong closing bull bar. So you can enter one tick above this bar side, put your stop loss here and hope for a scalp up. Why a scalp up? Because we are in a trading range, it's better to just scalp. Now we got pairs trying to take the price lower once, twice, and this is the third attempt. Also, if you see, this is not a very strong bull trend. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. So this is also a trading range behavior. Also, we broke out of yesterday's high, but then we see this as this first rejection by bears to take the price lower. So you go short one tick below this bar, put your stop loss here or here, you can. Or you can wait for a strong breakout of the EMA and then trade on the pullback structure. If you did go short here, I would have exited on this bar. Why? Because it's testing EMA and EMA is rising. Although this is the second leg for the bulls, it's still tight channel. So it's better to exit at the EMA. Okay, now we've got a breakout below the EMA strongly, and then bulls try to reverse the price but fail to do so. Bar 35 is also breaking below the EMA and closing strongly. So this is L2 short of sorts. Technically there is no L1. You can say this was the first attempt to go over and this is the second attempt to go over. So you can go short one tick below this bar's low, put your stop loss here or here and hope for a scalp down. Why a scalp down? Again, trading range price action, tight bull channel all the way to the second leg for the bulls. And this is the first attempt at reversal for the bears. If bears were all that strong, would they be getting bull reversal bars here, here, here? They wouldn't, right? It would be something like this, stronger. But we don't see that happening. But if you did hold for a swing, you got your swing by the end of the day. But I would recommend you against it. Read price action and what it's doing, and base your trades based on the price action. So that's it, guys. Thank you.